Hello, fellow investors. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of finance. Before we dive into the fascinating world of market corrections and crashes, let's set the stage for what's to come. I have an exciting announcement that could change the way you think about investing. By reading this essay to the end, you'll learn how to claim a surprise worth 21,000 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. Ours 21,000. But first, let's talk about why understanding market movements is crucial for your financial well-being. The stock market is a complex and dynamic entity, and having a grasp on its fluctuations can make a significant difference in your investment strategy. Investing in the stock market can feel like riding a thrilling roller coaster. There are moments of exhilarating highs when your investments soar and stomach-churning lows when the market takes a downturn. These highs and lows are part and parcel of the investment journey. Understanding them can help you stay calm and make informed decisions rather than reacting impulsively to market changes. Knowing the difference between a market correction and a crash can be the key to making smart investment decisions and safeguarding your hard-earned money. A market correction is a short-term decline of 10% or more in the price of a security, while a crash is a more severe and sudden drop. Recognizing these patterns can help you navigate the market with confidence. So, why should you care about this RSA 21,000 surprise? Because it's not just about the money, it's about gaining the knowledge and tools to make your investments work for you. By understanding market trends and learning how to respond to them, you can turn potential losses into opportunities for growth. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of the stock market. And remember, the Rs 21,000 surprise awaits you at the end of this essay. Your financial future could be brighter than ever. The stock market is a complex beast, influenced by a myriad of factors: economic data, political events, even investor sentiment. It's never a straight line to the top. Ups and downs are a natural part of the journey. But how do we distinguish between normal fluctuations and more significant shifts like corrections and crashes? A market correction is like a sudden gust of wind on a sunny day. It's a decline of 10% or more in a major stock market index, such as the Nifty 50, from its recent peak. Corrections are relatively common, occurring roughly once a year on average. Think of it as the market taking a breather, a chance for investors to reassess valuations and adjust their portfolios. Historically, corrections have been short-lived, lasting a few weeks or months. Now, imagine a storm hitting the market that's a market crash. It's a much steeper and more severe decline than a correction, typically a drop of 20% or more. Crashes are rarer than corrections but can have a devastating impact on investors' portfolios. The 2008 financial crisis is a prime example of a market crash. Triggered by the collapse of the US housing market, it sent shockwaves through global economies, leading to widespread panic and a sharp decline in stock prices. Let's bring this closer to home. Understanding market movements can be complex, but real-life examples make it easier to grasp. Let's start with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark stock market index. This index is a barometer of the Indian economy and reflects the performance of the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange. In March 2020, the Nifty 50 experienced a sharp correction, plunging over 30% in just a few weeks. This sudden drop was alarming for investors and traders alike. The cause? The COVID-19 pandemic spread globally, leading to widespread lockdowns and economic uncertainty. Businesses shut down, travel halted, and consumer spending plummeted, creating a ripple effect across the markets. This was a classic example of a correction triggered by an unexpected external event. Despite the initial panic, markets began to recover as governments and central banks intervened with stimulus packages and support measures. Conversely, the 2008 crash saw the Nifty 50 plummet by over 50%, reflecting the severity of the global financial crisis. This was not just a correction, but a full-blown crash, driven by systemic issues in the financial sector. The collapse of major financial institutions, the bursting of the housing bubble, and the subsequent credit crunch led to a prolonged period of economic downturn. Governments had to step in with massive bailouts to stabilize the financial system. These examples highlight the stark difference between corrections and crashes in terms of both magnitude and duration. Corrections are typically short-term and often recover quickly, while crashes can have long-lasting impacts on the economy and investor confidence. Understanding these differences is crucial for investors. It helps in making informed decisions and managing risks effectively. By studying past events, we can better prepare for future market movements and navigate the complexities of the financial world. Technical analysis, the art of studying price charts and patterns, can provide valuable insights into market corrections and crashes. One widely used tool is moving averages. A death cross, for instance, occurs when a short-term moving average, like the 50-day, crosses below a long-term moving average, like the 200-day. This pattern is often seen as a bearish signal, potentially indicating a correction or even a crash. Beyond the numbers, fundamental analysis matters too. While technical analysis focuses on price movements, fundamental analysis delves into the underlying factors driving a company's value. During a correction, investors often scrutinize companies' financials more closely, looking for signs of weakness or resilience. For example, a company with a high price-to-earnings ratio might be considered overvalued and experience a sharper decline during a correction. Conversely, a company with strong earnings growth and a solid balance sheet might weather the storm better. Corrections versus crashes. Spotting the difference. In the world of finance, understanding the nuances between a market correction and a market crash can make all the difference in your investment strategy. So, how can you tell if the market is experiencing a correction or a crash? It's a question that every investor, whether novice or seasoned, grapples with during periods of market volatility. While there's no crystal ball, understanding the key differences is crucial. Recognizing these differences can help you make informed decisions, avoid panic selling, and potentially capitalize on market opportunities. Magnitude. Corrections typically involve a 10 to 20% decline, while crashes are much steeper, exceeding 20%. This distinction in magnitude can help you gauge the severity of the market movement and adjust your portfolio accordingly. Duration. Corrections tend to be short-lived, lasting weeks or months, while crashes can linger for years. Understanding the typical duration of these events can help you set realistic expectations and plan your investment horizon. Cause. Corrections are often triggered by specific events or market sentiment, such as geopolitical tensions or changes in interest rates. In contrast, crashes usually stem from deeper systemic issues like financial bubbles bursting or widespread economic crises. Knowing the underlying causes can provide insight into the potential recovery path and timing. By understanding these key differences, you can better navigate the complexities of the stock market. Whether you're looking to protect your investments or seize new opportunities, being informed is your best strategy. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember that knowledge is power in the ever-changing world of finance. Staying ahead of the curve. Knowledge is your best investment. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. By understanding the difference between market corrections and crashes, you can make more informed investment decisions and navigate volatility with greater confidence. Remember, knowledge is your best investment. Claim your Ours at 21,000 surprise. Here's how. Now for the exciting part. To claim your surprise worth Ours at 21,000, simply subscribe to our newsletter and send a screenshot of this essay to email protected. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity today.